Okay guys, triangles. There are two ways to classify triangles. By their sides and side lengths, or by their angles and angle measures. Okay? So let's look at sides real quick. You can have a scalene triangle. Okay? A scalene triangle means that of the three sides, none of them have the same length. Okay? Scalene means none of the sides have the same length. Something that maybe looks like this, that. Oh, that could even look like the same length. I don't know. How about that? I don't know. Those don't have the same length. This is shorter, this is the medium, and that's the longer one. Okay, so that's scalene. Okay? The next one is isosceles. That means out of three sides, two of them have the same length. Okay? All right, good. Equilateral, well, it's kind of hinted in the name, equilateral. All right? And it means all of the sides have the same length. Now, there's something interesting about this, and we'll get back to it in a minute. Okay? Now, let's talk about angles. All right? There are three ways that we can classify triangles by their angles. All three of them can be less than 90 degrees. We call that one acute. It's acute. It's kind of a cute triangle because all of the triangles, all the angles are so small. Don't you think it's cute, Mom?
I think it's cute.
I think it's cute too.
It's pretty cute.
There's also a right triangle. That means that one of the angles is 90 degrees, but the other two angles are acute. They have to be smaller than 90. They can't be bigger than 90. Because if one of them's 90 and the other one's 91, that means we've got 181 degrees in the triangle, and we don't even have the other angle yet. That's too many degrees, right? So if one of them is a right angle, then the other two are acute. And then the last one is called obtuse. And that means one of the three angles is bigger than 90 degrees, and the other two are smaller than 90 degrees. Okay? All right, a couple of notes here. We're getting some vocabulary in. An equilateral triangle is also equiangular. Equiangular means that all three angles are the same. Any triangle that has three sides that have the same measure. What is the measurement of any one of the three angles? Think about it for a second. Alex has his hand up. Quazo has his hand up. Berto, Will R, Miles, nice. Okay, good. We got some people jumping out there. All three sides are the same. What's the measure of one of the angles? Julian has his hand up. There goes Spencer. Nice. Nice. I'm going to pick on Julian because I like to. 60 degrees, right? There's 180 degrees in a triangle. All sides are equal, so all the angles are equal. So I just divide 180 by 3, and I get 60. Okay? Good. So an equilateral triangle is also equiangular. Oh, look, Julian, you cheat. I had the answer right there in your notes. Okay. Here's the last one here. This is called the 180 rule, and that means that if you add the three angles of any triangle in the world or even some other world, the angles always add up to 180 degrees. Okay? Now, let's use that to look at example number 1. It says, in the diagram, the measure of angle DBE. Okay, that means start at D, go to B, and then go to E. All right, so that's this angle. The measure of that angle is 64 degrees. All right. And the measure of angle BDE, all right, wait, BDE goes this way. All right, BDE. And BED, all right, so that's going to be this one. It'd be nice if you guys had these nifty color markers like this. All right? These two angles are equal to each other. Whoa, whoa. Find the measure of angle BDE and the measure of angle BDE, I'm sorry. Then classify triangle BDE by its angle measures. Well, wait a minute. How many angles are there in a triangle?
3.
Trick question. How many of them, Ross?
3.
3. All right. One of them is 64. I don't know what the other two are, but I know they're equal to each other. Guys, I'm going to have to do one more video on this one. It won't take long.